guys, how are you all doing? It's me, Grace. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, as you can tell from the title, is I am going to be sharing with you my short review of the Belo Acne Pro Pimple Gel. So guys, this product has been in the market for such a long time already, pero ngayon ko pa lang siya nagamit, and finally, I'm gonna be able to share with you yung aking thoughts and experiences about the product. This video is long overdue kasi nagkaroon ako ng pimple na sobrang laki last month, and I tried using yung mga usual na ginagamit ko for my pimple, like yung Acne Care, ganyan, yung COSRX Pimple Patch, pero it was a different kind of pimple, and ang hirap niyang tanggalin. So, nag-try akong mag-search ng pangtanggal ng pimples online, and ito, nakita ko to si Belo Acne Pro Pimple Gel. Na-share na to sa akin ng friend ko, si Judy. Ay, mamu, kung nanonood ka. Ayan, siya yung nagsabi sa akin na ito yung nakakatulong sa kanya na magtanggal ng kanyang occasional acne breakout. Nabili ko to sa Watson's, guys, for 170 pesos. And ang pinaka-key ingredient nitong product na to is yung purified B venom. So, I tried it for my acne for morning and evening. Okay rin siya, and kaya pala ako naghanap ng other options para mawala yung aking pimple, kasi nga yung ginagamit ko mga products, hindi siya pwedeng gamitin sa morning. Katulad ng Acne Care, hindi ko siya nagagamit pag morning kasi nag-iwan siya ng pink residue. Tapos, si COSRX naman, wala siya nagawa sa pimple kasi hindi siya yung pimple na merong mata sa gitna. So, medyo pag ganun ang pimple, hindi ko ginagamitan ng COSRX. So, ayan, ganyan lang siya kaliit. Tapos, clear gel lang siya. It's part of the 3-step acne care routine ng Belo Essentials, pero ito lang yung ginamit ko. And it claims to help dry up pimples fast, calm inflammation, and promote healing and antibacterial action, leaving skin smoother and pimple-free. For my review, guys, ginamit ko siya for 2 weeks. Ganon katagal na wala yung pimple ko bago siya humupa. So, as you can see, guys, ayan, I have my bare face, and sobrang laki ng pimple ko. What? Para siyang, alam yung pimple na nasa loob yung kulo. Labo! Basta yun, hindi siya yung pimple na may mata. So, feeling ko, kaya hindi nag-work yung mga ginagamit ko na pantanggal ng pimple. So, ito, ayan, try out ko to ngayon. Tignan natin kung mag-work siya. Naglagay ako ng very small amount. Tapos, huwag ka maingay. Try natin i-leave overnight. Ayan na. Tandaan nyo, ganyan kalaki yung pimple ko, guys. Ito na yung itsura ng face ko kinaumagahan. Definitely, hindi na siya ganoon ka-swollen and red as it was during the first day. Tapos, ayan, medyo dark red na siya, and definitely, umimpis na siya. Medyo meron siyang konting stinging sensation na actually gusto ko kasi it means na gumagana yung product sa akin, and napansin ko na medyo nawala yung kanyang swollenness and yung kanyang pagiging red, pero malaki pa din siya and feeling ko ibang case din talaga kasi siya ng pimple, kaya medyo natagalan. So again, 2 weeks ko siyang ginamot nitong Belo Acne Pimple Gel, and masasabi ko, guys, sa kahit 2 weeks ko siyang ginamit, ang dami pang natira kasi sobrang liit lang na amount yung kinakailangan mong ilagay sa pimple mo, and swak na siya, and then morning, evening ko pa yung ginamit. Guys, ako, I would highly recommend this. Feeling ko, nakatulong din talaga to sa pimple ko para mag-dry up siya. Tapos, tignan nyo, hindi ganoon, sobrang laki niya talaga kasi. So, medyo konti lang or maliit lang yung naiwan niya na pimple mark. Hindi siya nag-scar. Thank you, Lord. Hindi siya nag-scar. Katulong talaga siyang i-dry up yung pimple ko, pati matanggal yung inflammation, as well as meron talaga siyang antibacterial properties. Kaya naman, sabi ko, if you guys are interested in buying this product, go try it. It's really worth your money. 170 pesos will go a long way, and it would really help you with your pimple problems. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and find this review helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!